Hi, it's Kelly, your AI coach from Ferret Software. Today I want to show you how easy it is to handle rejected invoices in FactWeb. If your invoice has been rejected, it will still be moved into FactWeb, but the invoice data will not be extracted. The most common reason invoices are rejected is they are scanned documents. From FactWeb, you can see the image in the invoice section on the left of the screen, and on the right, you can manually enter the invoice number, supplier name, line items, codes, delegate for approval, or perform any of the other standard functions. Please see the tutorial video on processing non-PO-based invoices for the basics on coding and delegation. If your document has been rejected due to not being an invoice, for example, if you have sent us a newsletter, price list, or other PDF document, this can be removed from the invoice list by archiving the file. Simply highlight the document and click on the Archive button on the right-hand side of the invoice section of the screen. These documents will still be able to be viewed when the Show All status is on at the top right of the screen. You will note that documents in the list that have been archived do not show the standard buttons in the invoice section, just an option to unarchive if you have done this in error. That's it for this video. Please check out our other videos for helpful tips and tricks. If you have any questions, please reach out to the support team at helpdesk@ferretsoftware.co.nz. Thank you!